Hey there, little mister. Show everybody how you doing. He's 60 days old now. I have toys hanging up high so he can exercise his neck. Play with the toys, atta boy. Hold that neck up there. He's starting to feather out a little bit now. I put the incubator cage back in. Come here. Come here. Show everybody your wings. Show everybody your little brace. Come over here. I know it's feeding time. Come here. Yeah. I see your little wings. Come over here. Come over here and let me see the other side. Turn around. Turn around. Oh. Show everybody your little brace. Oh, you hungry, ain't you? There you go. Now here, hold still. Hold still. There we go. Oh, you're hungry, ain't you? I'm feeding him every three times a day, 'cause the collar's putting pressure on his crawl and he can't hold it so much at a time. But he's really active and he's really lively. And I hope when the collar comes off this time, it'll be the last time. Play with your toys, that's right. Exercise that neck, stretch that neck. Atta boy. Atta boy. You need to get your pen cleaned up again. Show me your wing. Show me your wing. Say hello. Hello.